Good morning. Found some more funny jokes to post to play with. First one. What time does Sean Connery get to Wimbledon? Tennis. Okay, how about this one? I went to the zoo the other day. It was empty, except for one single dog. It was a Shih Tzu. What kind of bagel can fly? A plain bagel. Oh, this is so bad. Huh. Oh, this one's good. Where do animals go when their tails fall off? To the retail store. Why can't you hear a pterodactyl going to the bathroom? Because the P is silent. How does a train eat? It goes choo-choo.